Everyone loves a BLT, right? Have you ever had it in pasta salad form? Well, let me be one of the first to say it's divine, and I'll show you why. Most of these items you probably already have on hand. Of course, you'll need bacon, fully cooked, canned diced tomatoes drained, and I'm using the Hunt's no salt added, spinach for the lettuce, a container of refrigerated oven roasted chicken breast, mayonnaise, whole grain penne pasta, and garlic salt. First up, cook the pasta according to the package directions. Drain and rinse under cold water. This keeps the pasta from cooking any further and rinses off some of the starch. Now I'm going to chop the bacon, dice the chicken, and coarsely chop the spinach. Now let's combine all of the ingredients together and give it a few good stirs to make sure everything is nicely coated. If you don't like mayo, don't fear. You can replace it with Greek yogurt or ranch dressing and it will taste just as good. This salad is creamy, fresh, delicious, and done in 30 minutes. You can serve it immediately, but it's best to let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours so that all those flavors can meld together. And let me tell you, after you make this, you will love it as much as I do. And be sure to keep these ingredients on hand because it will make many appearances on your dinner table, your next potluck, cookouts, and barbecues. See you next time.